I made a full AI movie with talking characters. How? Step by step. First the script, then the voices. Impressive.
Most people think making an AI movie is complicated, expensive, or impossible without a team. I thought the same until I tested it myself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made a full AI movie with talking characters step by step. But one part of the process completely changed everything. And if you want this to actually work, there's one detail most creators miss. Let me be clear, guys. This is not push button magic. You still need structure, creativity, and patience. I'll break down the exact tool I use, how I created the script, how I made my characters talk, how I edit everything together, and what realistically works. And I rank tensions. I will rank each stage from easiest to most skill based.
We have to get to the core.
But the security protocols are active.
I've disabled them. Let's move.
Okay, lead the way.
You get to ChatGPT, you say, write me a movie script. Script short about a man running away from police we say policemen. Then you launch it. ChatGPT is going to give you, these are various scenes that ChatGPT have given you. 3 blocks. We have the first one here, city street at night. A man, early 30 seconds, exhausted, holding shock spring. We have distant police series. So what are we going to do here? You now copy. You copy what ChatGPT has given you. We copy whatever ChatGPT has given you here as a prompt for the script so that you can write your video. Like I was saying, you copy it from here, and we are moving to the next part or the next app that we are going to generate our movie. Guys, this part is an app that it can generate you consistent characters of movies, multiple and in single time. Well, this is where the real work begins, but it's not as difficult as you think if you follow the process step by step as I'm going to show you. Because from here, you are going to take the margin. The margin is after when you see the depth search. Then the next one you see margin. Margin, this is where you take the margin. When you take the margin, now remember you are trying to create your movie right now. So when we head to the margin, you paste the prompt you have copied from ChatGPT. Then you are going to select the size, which is the size of YouTube long form video, which is 16:9. When you select the size, then you are going to take send. You are going to see the magic. Just watch and see the magic. So this is it. Guys, it's taking a little bit of time to open, but just be patient. What we want is success. I'm going to take you throughout it. So when we launch it come out this way.
We have to get to the core.
But the security protocols are active.
I've disabled them. Let's move.
Okay, lead the way.
So guys, yeah, this is the end. We have created our first scene of the movie. And actually, if you want to continue with the next scene, you can head to ChatGPT like I showed you. Then you copy the next scene, because if you want the video to become 25 minutes, 20 minutes, you are going to be doing on and on. Then you have your full video at hand. If you wanted to create an AI movie this month, which part will challenge you most? Then pick one short project and complete in 30 days. Final line. If you wanted realistic creator background without hyper, subscribe. Then I'm going to guide you through. See you in my next video.